In this particular video, we will look into the details of class AVs, which are commonly called as birds. Now, initially, there are two characteristic features of class AVs. The first characteristic feature is that most of them can fly. So, how they can fly? Because four limbs in the case of AVs are modified into wings. Why we say that most of them can fly, not all of them can fly, because there are some flightless birds as well. Most prominent flightless birds are ostrich, penguin, etc. The second characteristic feature of AVs is the presence of feathers. So they have feathers present on their body, and these are the two characteristic features. Along with these two characteristic features, many other features are also present. So as we talked about, four limbs will be modified into wings. Now talking of the hind limbs. Now hind limbs generally have scales, and these are modified for walking, swimming or clasping tree branches. The point to be noted here is that if we talk of their body, so body does not have scales, body has feathers, but scales will be present generally on hind legs. After this, they have beak. Now, the endoskeleton will be fully ossified or formed of bones. Birds have long bones which are hollow, and these have air cavities, and these bones are known as pneumatic bones. So, pneumatic bones are a specialty bones present in the case of class AVs. After this, digestive tract has additional chambers, crop and gizzard. So, crop and gizzard among vertebrates will be present in class AVs. After this, skin is dry, there will be no glands which will be present on skin. But there will be an exception. Exception will be oil glands. So oil glands are present at the base of tail. Apart from these oil glands, there will be no glands which will be present in the case of skin of AVs. Talking of the respiratory system, so lungs are present in the case of AVs. Now there is a structure which is called as air sacs. Now air sacs are attached to the lungs of AVs, and these store air and supplement respiration. The point to be noted here is that lungs are vascular structures. That is, exchange of gases, exchange of O2 and CO2 will happen in the lungs, but these air sacs, these are non-vascular. So there will be no diffusion or exchange of gases which will happen in air sacs. Air sacs will just serve as the function of storing of air. After this, coming to the heart, heart is four chambered. So if we talk about four chambered heart, then two auricles are present and two ventricles are present. AVs are the first class which are warm-blooded, because there are just two classes which are warm-blooded or homeothermal. The first is the AVs and second are the mammals. So these are the first mammals, first animals that can regulate their body temperature. After this, coming to the reproductive system. So talking about reproductive system, males and females are separate obviously. So unisexual animals. Sexual reproduction is there. Fertilization will happen inside body, internal fertilization. There will be no larva which will be present, so direct development, and these lay eggs, so these are oviparous animals. After this, coming to the examples. So some birds, as we talked about, were flightless birds. So ostrich is a flightless bird known by the name of Struthio. Penguin is flightless bird known by the name Aptenodytes. After this, examples of birds which fly are given. Common example is parrot known by the name Cetacula. So here we have parrot shown here. This was the ostrich or Struthio. Then it is peacock known by the name of pavo. Easily you can recognize it. Then it is neophron or vulture shown here. Then pigeon is known by the name of columba, and crow is known by the name corvus.